Hey guys, so you're probably wondering why I am walking on a train track, and that is because we have come to the Beestekraal Stasie, which is an old railway train station which has been turned into this quaint little restaurant. So we're here to actually check it out and see what it has to offer.
I'm sure we're going to find a lot of old things because I can already see to the right of me the way this place has been designed. Just looks like an old place. Over here it looks like they actually have a cafe and a bar as well, which has got some super cool stuff inside. It's got photos of the train, it's got number plates, and it even has people writing all over the walls. It's like a good little memory to have. You think we should write our names on the wall?
Yeah, I think we should ask them for a cookie and leave a touch. It's really cool that people get to write their names.
So I just walked into one of the stores that are here inside of this place, and it kind of really gives you a feel like it was an old store. Like, I don't know how long these stores have been standing over here, so this might be an add-on, because this place is actually built on a farm with the railway track going straight through it. So it's really kept as simple as it was back in the day.
Check, they even have the lights which are made out of hard hats.
You can see they've designed this whole place with wood. They've got zinc. And even the roof trusses with the zinc is showing through. I wonder if that's actually an old sign from back in the day when the trains were running through.
So we just got given the Beestekraal platform, which is a little newspaper that the owner actually made. But it's got all these cute little stories, and the way that it's made almost makes you feel like it's an old school newspaper that you're reading. And then at the back it has a little map. And the map just tells you of what's in the area for little things for you to do. So we just got enough food, and it was a real hard decision to decide what to eat, but I decided to go for the game pie. And a game pie is basically your game animals, so such as buck, like your impala and kudu. So that's what's in my pie at the moment. I'm really excited to try it. So this is delicious. It's not too salty, but it got like the perfect amount of salt, and the meat is just like so tender in your mouth. It just like melts away. It's delicious.
So I got the chicken mayo sandwich, something not really too fancy, but I feel like the kind of food that you're getting here is almost like your homemade food, but probably going to be tasting way better. I know they make chicken sandwiches everywhere, but this chicken mayo sandwich is probably one of the best ones that I've ever tasted. So good. So we've just gotten a friend to join Leanne.
This is my lunch partner.
What's your lunch partner's name?
What's your name? Can I call you Whiskers? That's Whiskers.
Is it Whiskers?
Whiskers. Very beautiful.
Problem is Leanne gets hay fever, so I wonder how this is going to go down later.
Not very good. So this is the cute little restaurant that we were eating at. But then if you need the toilet, then you have to walk across these cute little boards over the rail track in order to go to the bathroom. So we're gonna go check out how these bathrooms look, because they are the original bathrooms from what I believe. So here where the bathrooms are, it used to be the waiting center where people used to wait for the train. And over there used to be the farm store where we just had our lunch. But over here is the bathroom, and it's called Pee Black. So we go into the bathroom, they have their male and female section. And it's just your standard bathroom. They even have writing on the wall like they have everywhere else, which is really cool. But what I do love is the idea that you just have to cross the train tracks in order to come to the bathroom.
So this was a short video. It's not what we usually do, but we thought that we couldn't let this little place go unseen. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.